People, welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now today I'm going to talk about the four police where Uncle Sam Wolampan basically I try move some diet coke, right? Now, people, I'm going to touch on a few things relating to this. I'm going to talk about what this could possibly mean for the future of certain people in Jamaica, especially big wigs, because you don't know we talk about all the time the real reason why Uncle Sam really pressure and Wolampan them people here, right? And I'm also going to talk about a way how the JCF can actually turn this into something positive. Yes, people. Remember, I told you JCF has one of the worst PR teams ever. Well, I'm going to show you how they can actually milk this and make themselves look good. Now you wonder, Sir P, how this will look good? How four police constables forget catch a foreign and JCF turn around and make this look good. Don't worry on yourself. Right now I might as well go open a PR business. People may go give me this first, then I go back to the people that probably are sweat right now. Listen how JCF can milk this and make themselves look good, because there's a key piece of information. Key. It turns out that the reason why these police officers were caught is because JCF and US law enforcement collaborated. Right? Them come together, right, and I saw them end up catch the police. The four police them. People. You see, if JCF smart, they won't cover and push this down and go on like this next exist. Cause I saw them to for them thing, right? When them to ignore, right, them talk about, and when them to talk about, them ignore. JCF tomorrow morning, bright and early, need to launch on big press conference and say, people of Jamaica, we help set up them police here. And this shows you that we are serious about flushing out criminal elements inside the force. One if you listen to me. JC, me just give you about $3 million worth of PR right there, so. We need to send an invoice and send the payment. People, see the plan there. Have a big press conference. We're not talking about you need everybody to come. JBC, all kind of C, TVJ, CV, everybody have to come. And you tell them, say, people, when you see what else go down, 4 police officers, well, we collaborated with the US law enforcement and we help sink them. That shows you that we are turning a new page and trying to get rid of certain people out of the force. Major PR, but knowing them probably miss the opportunity. Or them say, or even if they hear this video, they might kiss them and say, that's a Sir P on the body. Right? They want one big foreign PR company to come tell them that. So they actually have a great opportunity right there, so, right, if you milk this, right, to actually turn it into a positive. Right? But people, let me touch on why certain people probably are afraid. When I heard it was 4 constables, right away, I start going, I'm not surprised them get catch. Because remember, even within inside the police force, the whole 87 and 90 octane concept exists, right? Obviously your constables them are your 87s. They do the dirty work, they get string out, then get named and shamed and embarrassed. But the more senior police them would be the 90 octane then. I'm not talking about crooked cops, by the way, the one them are crooked. You see, when certain things are going on in the police force, if the bigger ranks them now eat or fight, just know they will get sink. Let me say that again. When certain things are going on in the police force, right? Diet coke or sell them thing there, right? Or even this scamming thing I'm be. If the bigger ranks them can't eat a food or fight, they'll get sink. So you see them police will get catch. If they were running these ops purely and for them one thing, means that them nobody else not help them. Right? No SSP and ACP and all them wrong, they not help them. Then them done for. And that will make all the sense as to why JCF help set them up. Right? Them probably offended. Man, them probably how dare you? How dare you move that coke and even give you a bus? How them people there, man? One call to the DEA. We have some people for giving you know. Yeah, man. See them name, yeah? They normally travel here and say, yeah, man, go pick them up. By the way, people, obviously I don't know if that's to happen, right? I'm assuming people can, people can sense when I inject some humor into my videos. Right? I don't know if that's not an actual conversation, Simon. Right? Don't quote me on that. Right? But I'm just saying, right? If certain things are going on big wigs in the night, then your dog name mess up. Now, if big wigs in the night, as in the SSP and the DSP, or even some high level businessman, and they were just using these Constable 87s to go around and do this, then right now them man they're afraid. Them man, especially some politicians, and oh boy, no them afraid. Because people, in a situation like this, all Uncle Sam are gonna do, you know. You see the three with them all on pan, cause me say one get Lego. You see three with them all on pan, all Uncle Sam are gonna do is carry them go down one room and say, listen, tell me about your operation. Cause it's very unlikely say 4 police constables around some kind of international drug ring. Tell me about your who involved? Oh, him? Alright. Who, him too? Really? Film name again? Regular was the film name? Alright, cool. Alright, won't normally ship it? Oh, alright, yeah. Oh, him? Oh, he's a part of this party? Yeah, man, go and talk, man. And Uncle Sam get him intel, collect him intel. And then Uncle Sam just give them only like 7-8 years, if that. Right? Because they haven't mentioned the quantities, but I'm assuming it's not going to be no 10 tons. It's not going to be no 5 tons and 100 key. Right? So if I know something like that, Uncle Sam give them a little 5-6 years and come back in the yard. Right? But what Uncle Sam really care about would be in his position, which is information on more Jamaican personnel. So down the road, don't be surprised if you just see yourself, man, visa gone. Man, visa gone, and people say, oh, well, this is how. When man get catching at things like this is how. And Uncle Sam actually prefer when him catch somebody who is a part of the government compared to like say 87. Because obviously the man they make in the government no more. Right? So Uncle Sam a laugh right now, this is a victory. This is a victory for Uncle Sam. Right? But as I said, the fact that JCF help set up the police them, that kind of tell me so we're not talking about no high level operation. So. We're not talking about no high level operation that involve the most senior members of the JCF and the most senior members of Jamaican politics or even the business world. Because if that was the case, JCF not had none. Sorry. Unless, hey, maybe they've turned a page, I don't know. But I'm just saying, based on history, that is very unlikely. If it involves certain high level big neck man, yeah, a matter of fact, Uncle Sam have to go fight for help. People know so the memorandum of understanding depend desk how long, I'll know it can't sign. So if something can hurt you, if something can hurt 116s and certain politicians and certain senior cops, them not sign on, them not work with no Uncle Sam. Uncle Sam have to go fight them feet. Uncle Sam have to go come here and come do a wrestling match to get that. But if I something where, you know, lightweight, small time, hey, them work with Uncle Sam all day, every day. You see, a 4 constable get catch. Constable. I'm telling all the time about the small fry thing. And be a constable, throw them under the bus and say, yo, stick there, we're working. We're working, people. So, I won't get my hopes up. Right? I won't get my hopes up. Them Uncle Sam might still get some information out of them because, as a matter of fact, the police them, the one who get catching of these ups, they might not even have information to give regarding the Diet Coke because I might just feed them Diet Coke and the bigger isn't involved. But in order to get certain forget a list of time, they might start leak on other things. They might say, hold on, you remember one time this thing go down? Right. Uncle Sam say, yeah, what you want? You don't know, sir, I did give you this time, did it? Uncle Sam is like, oh, there we go, now we're talking. So we need to keep an eye on the time. How long them get? That's the first question we need to ask. How long them get? Because that is important. Right? Because Uncle Sam, listen, you can't be a foreigner and go in Uncle Sam's place at a time like this and get nothing less than 130 years. Right? Nothing less than 130 years. Especially when I talk about Diet Coke, gone. Fling away. Right? So if you see anything we look like anything in a single digits, we know it's alright, the man have serious info. Anything in a single digits, the man them give up some, them give up a couple names, right? Some serious name too, right? Because right now Uncle Sam not actually could nothing, right? And the man they flinging away for the least of things. Even if you're an American citizen, born and raised in America, Uncle Sam catch you certain things are low and fling my business. Right? I'm telling you already, America is a place that send man for America sentence man to life plus 100 years. America sentence man to triple life. Right? Quadruple life plus 200. Some sentence would even make sense. They get sentenced. Imagine you're in a courthouse and judge are going to tell you, so listen, me a sentence you for triple life plus 50 years. Me have to ask the judge, so then you run away about the 50 years, so. Way about the triple life plus something have to go there and come back much time and then me still have 50 years. Listen, don't play with Uncle Sam. But we'll sit back and watch how this one play out still. But kind of hope that the man has some information because, listen, the only people 116s and big neck politicians and big neck members of the police force fear is Uncle Sam. They do not fear the local justice system because them control it. Right, so them can move them there, go and do all them want to do. Right, and them know say no police now come at them up, and if police even catch them on the road, it's up, the police have to let them go. But they fear Uncle Sam. So, I could see something come out there now. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment, and share the video. Bless.